Hello and welcome back to another Emacs Goodies video series. And in this video we are going to talk about a mode called definitely not mold. A mode called all scroll mode. Oh my god, I can't speak today. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So all scroll mode is similar to the master mode and follow mode, the two previous videos that I made already. So they're similar to those. So as you can probably guess, it has to do with scrolling, but let me demo it for you. Let's go ahead and go into my configuration file, readme, and let's open up another file. Yes, let's say I open up words, and then let me just open up another one. What can I open up that's not important? That is not bothering. No, I need something that is long. Personal, YouTube, no, those are Django. Let's go to Django and let's go to readme. Yeah, okay, cool. So in all scroll mode, if you enable it, so scroll all mode, if I do that, it will start, as you can see over here, the cursors in each of these buffers are being moved whenever I go up in whichever main buffer I'm in. So for example, I am right here in this buffer. So if I go up, the cursor in the other buffers will also go up. So this is by what it means by scroll all mode. Now, the name scroll all mode is a bit deceptive because it doesn't actually work with the mouse. I don't know why. Maybe you who are watching it, you're gonna make a patch for it and submit it to Emacs Core. Who knows? But if you want to fix it, go ahead, be my guest. I'm pretty sure many people will thank you for it. But anyways, yeah. So as you can see, it'll keep on scrolling. So this is perfect if you have multiple files that you want to scroll together simultaneously in some type of fashion. You have to set up the buffers correctly, like at the starting point that you want them to work. But that is pretty much scroll mode in and pretty much as a quick demo. So let me quickly disable it. All right, cool. So I disabled it, and let me go into the file itself, scroll all mode. So let's go over here. So scroll all buffers together, minor mode. So that's basically what it does. There is no customization since it's pretty straightforward. And there's also one entry, which is the minor mode, scroll all mode. And it's actually pretty small. You see this 121 lines. So 121 lines and probably less because there's a lot of comments, or at least comments take up a good portion of the file. But yeah, it's pretty small, pretty simple. And yeah, let me know if you end up using it. Thanks.